love.
So we've got mail time at the house. Got tons of little special deliveries. Got the vinyl for the new livery. This doesn't look like enough, but I gotta open it up, see what it is. We've got our Hankook RS4s. Super pumped to get these guys on the race car. We've got, I think this is, I gotta open it when we get in. I think this is an S2000 part that I'll show you guys. And then those are wing end plates for the FC. So we got a lot to open. All right, let's see what's on these boxes. Start with the wrap. Now then, this box, I think, is S2000 parts. I hope so, because I haven't done a video on the S2000 in a while for you guys, so I'm sure some of you are interested to get an update on it. Alright, this for sure is S2000 stuff. Here we go. S2K is getting a new head unit. So this has been long overdue. I don't know, I've had the car for 2 years. I've definitely been needing to update that. Now, last but not least, is this guy. These are the new end plates for the wing. So let's go slap these guys on, see how they look compared to the old ones, and go from there. So to recap, we have end plates, vinyl for our livery. I think this is gonna look dope. We've got Crutchfield stuff. This is the harness and the steering wheel controls and all that for the S2K. And then we've got the head unit itself. So overall, nice little haul today. Obviously we've got the tires, which I'm using to hold that camera up for now. But yeah, there we go. Let's go throw those end plates on and we'll go from there. It's raining outside. Overall, it's been super shitty weather, but here you guys go. Probably won't touch that today. Hopefully the weather's better so this can go get the new tires on tomorrow, but let's throw these new wing end plates on.
2 hours later.
So since everything came in today, the plan is to take the car tomorrow to go get the tires put on. Tonight, Peter and I are gonna start messing with the livery a little bit. It's kind of stopped raining, so I'm just gonna spray the car off, wash it real quick, wax it, and just get it ready for us to actually put vinyl on. But that is the current plan, so you know the drill, which means time lapse. I'm pretty sure the camera shut off, god damn it, halfway through that. But the car's washed, it's waxed, it's buffed, everything's great. Pete and I are gonna start trying to figure out the livery and go from there. So
it's gonna be pink polka dots.
pink polka dots. You heard it here first, kids. That's what we're gonna do. This camera's gonna die, which fucking blows, but it is what it is. So I know a lot of you guys have asked, James, how do you figure out your liveries and all of that? And what you do is you stare at the internet for a while, get some ideas, get your vehicle, get a friend, get a shit ton of painter's tape, and start taping all over your car. And that's how you do a livery.
It's like playing with the Forza livery editor, but in real life.
Pretty much. Yeah, it helps to kind of get your idea on Forza or some video game, and then once you have your idea, that's when you go get your car, painter's tape, and start tackling kind of your idea.
8:01 p.m.
What's up, guys? I'm back from the gym, and Pete has been working on the idea for the livery, and we're cutting. Also, I'm filming on my cell phone because once again my camera's dead and I didn't bring a battery or a charger because we're not at my house, but we're trying. So we're cutting that out. Justin is out here working on the fist. We'll go see him. How's the fist bro going?
Is there another oil pan somewhere?
Is that one full or?
It's occupied. Can't be moved. Oh, maybe I can slide it through this way.
I don't know if we have another.
Is there another one?
I don't know.
No, we got it going here. Yeah.
Cool. Justin is doing his fist maintenance with the Christmas lights.
I'm all about the Christmas lights now. Look how bald my tires are. I didn't realize quite how bad the situation was.
Dude, these things are garbage. There's no.
I'm like, why am I getting wheel spin in 6th gear?
There's no more wheels. There's no more like wear bars left. There's nothing. Yeah, look at these are nice and spicy.
I gotta figure out where the clicking CV's coming from.
While we wait for the stickers to cut out, I'm playing Horizon. So if you guys want to add me on Horizon or Xbox Live, it is James FC Wood, just like my Instagram. Driving a R32. What's up, guys? So sorry for that kind of abrupt ending on this livery video. What was going on was we were up super late. I think we're up to like 2 working on it, and the vinyl was not cooperating with us as well as we wanted, so we had to break out the heat gun, get a bunch of hands helping. I just didn't film that much. I don't film a whole lot when I get frustrated because I can't focus on, it's hard for me to focus on filming and then doing stuff and all of that, which is why I ended up with a lot of videos where they're endings like this, where I just kind of talk about it. But we got the part of the livery done, so still gotta work on it. You can see it behind me a little bit, but I will I'll walk it around and show you guys. The main stripes for the livery are done. We have the nameplate done, which I'll show that in a later video. Fortune Auto is sending me some new sponsor stickers for them. They sent me a couple colors, so we'll see what works with our livery the best. They don't make gold, which is unfortunate, but that's okay. And yeah, so I'll walk it around, show you guys. If you guys have any questions about how like our process is for coming up with liveries or what we do, just drop it in the comments or drop me a message and I'll be happy to talk to you guys. I know some of y'all have talked to me about it and asked, so I know I haven't really addressed it, but I'm trying to. But again, thank you for watching this video. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. For all you current subscribers, thank you guys for the support. We are still on the way to 1,000 subscribers. I just ordered some kind of giveaway stuff for Gridlife. So I'm hoping we hit 1,000 I'm hoping we hit 1,000 subscribers before Gridlife, because that would just be great to hit that and then give all the stuff away to you guys at Gridlife. If I don't hit it, we'll still give that stuff away. So I'm just trying to get there. Remember to share the channel with your friends, and just share the videos, and keep watching the build, and keep seeing what's next for the RX-7 and all the other crap we got. There's a couple S2000 videos that's gonna come over later, but I'm not sure when I'll drop those. Maybe later this week, or no, shit, it's Thursday. Maybe early next week. So yeah, that's what's going on, and yeah, thank you guys for the support. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, and let's just keep going up from there. So super excited. Hope to see all of you guys at Gridlife. Be sure to come say hi. Be sure to come get your little giveaway prize there, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.